Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I prepared for you an Easter-friendly project. I call it the Macrame Impossible Egg. Let's get started. I took my first 2-meter string, placed it on the cordwork and crossed the endings. Then I connected a second cord with the first one using Lark's head knot. I've tried to hold the loop in position. It was pretty tricky though. I attached the rest cords in the same way. Then pulled the crossed strings gently until the loop was small and tight. It's a good idea to make some readjustment at this point and section the cords. Pin the cords to the cordwork and make 5 square knots on each section. I will show you the first knot. Okay, now it's time for the balloon. Mine is medium size. Spread the cords evenly on the balloon. Take 2 cords from each section and make 1 square knot. I need to warn you, this is tricky as the balloon is very wobbly. The easiest way to do this is to place the balloon on your lap and carry on with your knots. Remember to readjust your knots if necessary. I've decided to make 3 butterfly knots. It's a square knot variation. I tried to make my knots at quite the same distance, as in the end it will just look better. I made 11 square knots. The quantity of square knots depends on the size of the balloon. To combine all sections together, I've used a gathering knot. Simply grab an extra cord, create a loop, and wrap it around. When you're finished, pull the rope's end through the loop. Locate the other end of the same rope and pull it. Readjust all strings and twist all endings. Now it's the crucial moment. Without it, this project would be a failure. PVA glue, brush and patience. I'm using some fast-drying clear PVA glue and my children's paintbrush. Pour the glue on your work and try to cover it all. You can dilute the adhesive with a small amount of water if it's too thick. Some relaxing moments. go back to work. Now it's the messiest moment. Cover the endings with the glue. As you can see, I put a lot of glue. I wanted to make sure that everything would bond nicely. Let it dry. It can take from 6 hours up to 24 hours depending on the glue that you used. Before removing the balloon, try to unstick it from your macrame. Then pop it. Ta-da! As you can see, the impossible is possible. Thanks for watching. See you soon!